Today, here goes nothing. Fingers crossed. Come on, fish. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. You got a fish. Oh boy, he almost went under the motor. This might be a good one. I can't tell. You never can. Bryce, get the net. Get the net, dude. This might be the big one I was waiting for. Get the net. You see him come out the water? You net him.
Got you. I see him. I'll get him.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I got
get him. Yes. Bring him in.
Bring him in.
Yeah. This is the sheephead we so desired. This is at least a 4-pounder. If I had to guess. Wow. Just look at him. He's huge. Wow. Let's get him unhooked. Hold on, I'm gonna get the pair of pliers. Wow. Yeah. Gotta be careful of those spines, by the way. They will hurt you. But as long as you hold them firmly. Alright, this guy is 17-inch sheephead. Wow. Yeah. He's going home, ladies and gentlemen. He's going home. Beautiful. 5 pounds. That's a 5-pound sheephead. You don't see that every day. Wow. What a day. Wind's blowing 15 miles an hour out of the west. We come out here on a blink of an eye just to see what's biting. We catch this sucker. Sweet. Oh, we got another nice one. I'm just letting him. Oh shit, dude. Give me that net.
Here, take that.
I'll get him. I got it. I'll get him. Oh my god. He's nice. We'll let him act big for the rest of the time he's in the water. When he comes to the surface, he's ours. I got it, man.
I'll hold it right here for you.
Oh shit. I saw him. Oh my god, he's huge. This might be my biggest sheephead.
Go, 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 go.
I got him. Don't scream, man. Don't scream. You gotta be calm. You gotta be calm. Get another turn on him. Comes out the water. Yes! Oh! 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 He's bending the net. Oh my god. Let's go. I'm getting him in the boat. I'll be back with a weigh. Yes! This is my personal best right here. Holy crap. This sheephead has got to be 8 pounds. My god. I'm gonna get a measure on him quick. You're not going back in the water. No, sir. Okay. With a tail pinch, he's 20. Holy crap. 20-incher. Crap. I'm saying 8 pounds easy. Easy money on that. Hopefully this thing stay in. They're not meant to hold you bony sheephead. Let's see what we got. Right at 8. Wow. That is a beast. It's basically dark out now. We had a fantastic time. We missed a lot of big ones. We had 5 that were right at the boat, but the hook popped out. But man, what a day. You just wouldn't expect to come out here, I'll restate it, on a 15-mile-an-hour wind to the west, a low pressure system, and catch giant fish. Just amazing. We'll be back again because the fish are still there. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!